Well, Good Friday, the 13th of September morning to you. This short video is brought to you by the Shop Cat, who continues to amaze and entertain us. If we have any questions about anything, we just ask her and she lets us know. If we need to know something, no matter what it is, we'll just ask her and she'll fill us in. We got a whole bunch of stuff going on. We're trying to charge the battery up out of that 5.9 out there. I don't know if it's going to hold a charge or not. We've got video backlogs from 3 weeks ago. We did get the instrument cluster in, the computer in. The computer's working great. We have not had any more flashing security lights and having to relearn. The instrument cluster is not 100% success. I can't, they put the lights in so we can see it again now, but the fuel gauge is still messed up. It's probably not the instrument cluster. That's probably down there around the tank, the connection, or either in the sending unit itself. But anyway, today we're going to probably work on that white Jeep a little bit more, explore it out a little bit more, or check it out a little bit more. But we wanted to go to South Georgia yesterday and we didn't make it, so we may say to heck with all that and head to South Georgia and get some video. We'll just have to see how things work out today. But yeah, we will be doing Friday the 13th videos. We'll probably get 5 or 6 Friday the 13th videos. All of them may be from the phone. That way we can upload directly from the phones and we'll not have to download and all that stuff and then upload with a poor internet connection. Y'all say hello to the Shop Cat. She's still sort of dozing a little bit this morning. So I guess that'll be it for right now. This will be a short video, but we will be getting Friday the 13th videos up today.